Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back again. Uh, so in this video, we will discuss about important field in item category, which is relevant for credit management. That is credit active. So in this video, we'll understand what is the importance of this field, what will happen if we enable it, and what will be the consequences if we disable it. Okay. So first of all, this flag can be enabled in two ways. Either with the transaction code OVA7, where we can activate that flag or deactivate it for item category wise, or one more transaction code is available, that is VBUK-7. So in VBUK-7 we have a field called credit active. So either we can go with OVA7 or VBUK-7. In both of the ways we can activate or deactivate this field as per our requirement. Basically, so this field, credit active field, will be applicable to update the open values of an order, a delivery, billing documents into credit exposure. If this flag is not enabled, then it won't update. If it is enabled, then only it will update. Remember that this field is not relevant for credit check. Right, when we save an order, we'll be getting a pop-up saying that a credit limit has been exceeded, oldest open items, some other reasons we might see that, right? So that is not controlled by this credit active check. That is controlled through other configs like OVAK for sales order config, OVAD for delivery and PGA config. So this config to trigger a credit check, and a credit active will help us to update the credit exposure of an item value. And mainly, this credit active field will be helpful to update static, dynamic, and maximum document value maintained in the OVA transaction code. So those fields will be controlled with this item active, the credit check field only. On the other hand, there are some other fields like oldest open item, highest running levels are controlled through some FI parameters only, not from SD side. And the CMGST field, the credit block status field, will be controlled based on the releasing of that order or delivery from credit block. It's not controlled by that credit active field in item category. Okay, so coming to that update wise, so there are two kind of updates happens, one from SD, one from FI. From SD side, whenever this field is enabled, then updates happens to open sales order, open delivery, and open billing documents, and the relevant categories, the liability categories from FSCM front is 100, 400, 500. If this field is not updated, the system won't calculate and update credit value for that item in the credit exposure. Okay, once the billing document transfer to FI, that means invoice has to be created. When we save an invoice, during that point of time, accounting documents will be generated, which will be cleared. Okay, yeah. If those are not cleared, accounting document generated but accounting documents not cleared, then that will be updated under open receivables from FI end, and that in the liable categories as 200 and 300 in FSCM. So credit active won't control the open receivables value. It controls only the open order value, open delivery value, open billing documents. If we want to stop updating open receivables, even though that account is not clear, then we need to update the reason code of payments in PSEC table. Thank you so much.